Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research. Subscribe now and press the bell icon to GEPL Capital's YouTube channel and never miss out on any stock market update and build your knowledge on investment.
Hello friends, in the current week we have seen that the broader indices has closed at 15,860 level with a weekly gains of 177 points, or in terms of percentage this was a gain of 1.12%. Now here are the few observations regarding Nifty as well as Bank Nifty purely from the technical perspective. In the current week we have seen that the broader indices has created an inside week or inside candle and closed almost near to its previous week high on weekly charts, which shows that the basic uptrend is intact, but some kind of range bound movement has been observed at higher level in the market. On the daily chart, the Nifty has managed to sustain above its 20-day simple moving average throughout the week, which indicates that the bull have the strong grip over the market. Daily momentum indicators is moving upward after taking a support near 60 mark, which shows that strong bullish momentum still prevails in the market. Immediate support level for the Nifty is placed at 15,431, which is the previous swing high, and below that at 15,145. On the higher side, the market is facing major supply at 15,986 and above that at 16,687. Now, what could be the probable strategy to trade the market in the next week? Since the larger degree trend is strongly on the upside, traders should keep a strict stop loss of 15,431 for their all existing long position as well as fresh new positions created in the next week, and should ride the trend. Now here are the few observations for Bank Nifty. In the current week, we have seen that after so many weeks, Bank Nifty has outperformed Nifty for the first time in the current week. On weekly chart, the Bank Nifty has taken a strong support at 20-week simple moving average and made a higher top higher bottom formation, which indicates that once again it has resumed its primary uptrend. On the daily chart, Bank Nifty has sustained above its 20-day simple moving average and has closed above the previous 5 days high, which confirmed the bullish undertone in this particular sector from at least short to medium term perspective. Daily momentum indicators are moving upward and sustaining above 60 mark, which shows that positive momentum for the sector will remain maintained at least from short to medium term perspective. Talking about support and resistance, Bank Nifty major support will be at 33,908, followed by 33,273. Upside resistance is placed at 35,810 and above that at 36,497. In our opinion, we have identified two stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader market. The first stock is Axis Bank Limited, which is from the banking sector itself. One can buy at 760 with a stop loss of 730 and the upside potential is at 820. Another counter which is from metal sector, that is National Aluminium Limited. One can buy at 73 with a stop loss of 68 and the upside potential is 82. So that's it for the week, friends. If you like our views, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram as well as on Twitter. Thank you very much for joining us.